I don't often cover viruses on here, but it's good to be reminded how much work goes on in this field. In my newsletter, Cannabinoids and the People on Substack, every week there's usually something about the antiviral capabilities of the cannabinoids. And so here was one new study that looked at not just Zika, but a whole bunch of other viruses, both enveloped and non-enveloped. By the way, the science of the difference between them is that an enveloped virus has its own lipid membrane, and that fuses with the membrane of the cell that it's attacking to get the contents of the virus inside the cell, while a non-enveloped virus uses a pore that it creates to shoot the genes into the cell it's attacking. So they started this experiment by looking at what CBD does to just regular cells that aren't being attacked by viruses, and they found it increased the levels of immune cytokine interferon beta, which is a regulator of the immune response, and also it's a treatment for multiple sclerosis. So the levels of this immune regulator go up just because CBD is present. CBD also altered those cells' membranes so they had lower levels of cholesterol, which is a way to thwart the entry and multiplication of viruses. Then, for the final stage of actually infecting these cells with viruses, the researchers determined that CBD caused potent antiviral activity against all the viruses tested, including Zika, dengue, yellow fever, chikungunya, Junin, herpes simplex virus 1, adenovirus type 5, and polio. With that kind of antiviral power, the researchers stressed the utility of using CBD for our next viral outbreak.